Hello, you're watching Dukascopy TV's press review. I'm Thomas Taplin. Russia is our focus today, and with the recent release of oil billionaire Mikhail Khodorkovsky after a 10-year prison sentence, analysts say stocks in the country are still in dire straits. It's been reported that the recent pardon by Russian Prime Minister Vladimir Putin forms part of a new strategy by the ex-KGB agent to reverse a negative investment trend that has seen over $400 billion of assets leave the country over the last 5 years, whilst Russia's economy has grown the slowest in 4 years. But the founder of Hermitage Capital Management, William Browder, says people shouldn't buy into the political or financial ramifications of Khodorkovsky's early release. Anyone changing their perception of Russia on the back of this Khodorkovsky pardon would be naive in the extreme. The investment climate in Russia has been thoroughly destroyed in the last 10 years. Mr. Browder was tried for tax evasion on his fund in Russia, but currently denies the charges. Meanwhile, the head of emerging market equities at PIMCO in London says the bigger question for the market is whether the Russian government is ready to embrace a broader set of political and structural reforms to escape a trap of low growth and growing discontent. Well, stocks in the country currently trade at the cheapest out of 21 emerging market economies, and Russia's MICEX stock index only managed a 1% increase after Khodorkovsky's pardon was announced. Russia will host the 2014 Olympics next year and is planning to spend a record $48 billion on infrastructure projects for the Games. This will, of course, encourage investors from abroad as foreign companies wrestle to get in on the potentially lucrative contracts. But releasing Khodorkovsky early, whilst granting amnesty to the 30 Greenpeace activists facing charges of hooliganism and freeing some members of the jailed all-female punk band Pussy Riot, is seen by many analysts as a temporary fix in improving sentiment in the country. Well, that's all from the press review today. I'll be back in the new year as we kickstart a market environment with reduced support from the Federal Reserve. I can't wait. But until then, have a Merry Christmas if you celebrate such an occasion. Otherwise, have a great week. Bye-bye.